So, as much as I love the skid steer, which I do, the problem with an 8,000 pound piece of equipment is that unless the ground is fairly dry, it gets stuck. So while you can dig a trench like this with the skid steer and the stump bucket in a matter of minutes, if you will, 10 minutes at the most, it takes quite a bit longer by hand, but it gets done. And you can still work it when you're dealing with this. So what's happening here is the principle of, in order to build a durable road, the first thing that needs to happen is drainage. You got to get the water out of where you want the road. And so, as you can see, I want a road that goes into my tent so I can get my equipment in and out. But right now I've got a ditch dug there, which was completed with the skid steer, but since then it's rained several days, and as you can see, the trench is working because there is no water at the entrance of the tent. It's all in this trench, and that's the goal, is to have a trench here so that when it rains, it goes down here and out. And right now I'm connecting this trench full of water over this little land bridge, taking it down to that existing trench that was dug by hand and down the ravine. So the idea is I'll get some 4-inch perforated pipe and some number 8 gravel once I get this connected here and drained out, and then I'll drop that in there and then cover that up with gravel, and then we've got a working drain that'll always keep this dry so that when the sun comes out for the next couple of times, it'll dry that up there for good. And then I can put down my fabric and number 53s, and then that's the base of my road.